Have you been waiting for your opportunity to live that quiet, rural lifestyle you've always dreamt of? Well, wait no longer. Hi, I'm Jeff Edwards with the MacIntosh Group at RE/MAX River City, and located just 10 minutes from Miquelon Lake Provincial Park and 30 minutes from Camrose lies this fully finished 3-level split home on just under 3 acres of beautiful rolling land. Discover the perfect country retreat overlooking the valley. This fully finished 3-level split home features several upgrades, including energy-efficient windows and doors, maintenance-free siding, and a metal roof. The living room is situated with valley views and features a loft area and a wood-burning fireplace that adds warmth and charm. The recently updated kitchen offers butcher block countertops and stainless steel appliances. On the lower level, you'll find a large primary bedroom featuring a 6-piece ensuite with heated flooring for enduring comfort. This Rolling Hills retreat offers a blend of tranquility and convenience, perfect for your next chapter. This 2.8-acre property boasts a deck, a 27 by 22 foot oversized double attached garage, and outbuildings include a sauna, storage shed, and a gazebo. Enjoy privacy in this ideal starter acreage, perfect for retirement or empty nesters. So if you think this might be the property you've been waiting for, give the MacIntosh Group a call at 780-464-0075 or visit us online at macintoshgroup.ca.